Welcome to Sikho German, Lektion 1, Die Alphabete, the German alphabets. In this lesson, you will learn how to pronounce each German letter and remember it easily with simple words and pictures. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next lessons. Let's get started. Follow along, repeat with me, and by the end of this video, you will be able to say the complete German alphabet confidently. You will first see the letter, then hear how to pronounce it, and then see an example word in German with its English meaning.
A. Apfel. Repeat. A. Apfel. B. Banane. Repeat. B. Banane. C. Cent. Repeat. C. Cent. D. Delfin. Repeat. D. Delfin. E. Elephant. Repeat. E. Elephant. F. Fish. Repeat. F. Fish. G. Giraffe. Repeat. G. Giraffe. H. Hahn. Repeat. H. Hahn. I. Igel. Repeat. I. Igel.
J. Jaguar. Here, J will sound like Y. Repeat. J. Jaguar. K. Kuh. Repeat. K. Kuh. L. Löwe. Here, O with 2 dots is the special German alphabet. Don't be afraid, we will be learning it soon in this video. Repeat. L. Löwe. M. Maus. Repeat. M. Maus. N. Nuss. Repeat. N. Nuss. O. Orange. Repeat. O. Orange. P. Pinguin. Repeat. P. Pinguin. Q. Qualle. Repeat. Q. Qualle. R. Ratte. Repeat. R. Ratte.
S. Spinne. Repeat. S. Spinne. T. Tiger. Repeat. T. Tiger. U. Uhu. Repeat. U. Uhu. V. Vogel. Here you will notice the sound of V is like F. V. Vogel. W. Wasser. Repeat. W. Wasser. X. Xylophon. Repeat. X. Xylophon. Y. Yak. Repeat. Y. Yak. Z. Zebra. Repeat. Z. Zebra. Now let's learn special letters. Special letters are made with umlauts. The 2 dots above the letter are called umlaut. Only 3 letters are made with umlaut. A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut. The first special letter is A umlaut, pronounced like E. Bear. Repeat. E. Bear. Next is O umlaut, pronounced like Ö. Öl. Repeat. Ö. Öl. The third umlaut is U umlaut, pronounced like U. Mütter. Repeat. U. Mütter.
The fourth special letter is a beta-like sign pronounced as SZ and sounds like S. Weiß. Repeat. SZ. Weiß. Let's quickly repeat what we have learned today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Special letters. A, Ö, Ü, SZ. Great job! You have now learned the German alphabet and the important special letters. Keep learning German with Sikho German. The more you repeat, the more natural it will sound. If you enjoyed this lesson, like and subscribe to Sikho German. Share it with your friends learning German. Comment down the letter you are having trouble pronouncing. Dankeschön. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bis bald.